If your iPhone isn't vibrating for calls, messages, notifications, or alarms after the iOS 27 update, here are a few fixes. Check the main vibration settings. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Scroll to the Physical and Motor section. Tap Touch. Scroll to the bottom and make sure vibration is turned on. If it's already enabled, turn it off temporarily. Then perform a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone turns back on, return to the same vibration setting. Turn the vibration toggle back on. Finally, test your iPhone to see if vibration is working properly. If it's still not working, adjust the haptic settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Under the ringtone section, tap Haptics. Make sure it's set to play in silent mode or always play. These options allow your iPhone to vibrate even when it's in silent mode. Turn off focus mode and reset all settings. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Check that Do Not Disturb and any other focus modes are turned on. If any focus mode is enabled, tap it to turn it off. Next, open Settings again. Scroll down and click on General. Scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Choose Reset All Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode if prompted. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos, videos, apps, or personal data. Once the reset is complete, make sure the vibration option is turned on. Finally, test your iPhone to see if the vibration is working properly. If it's still not working, contact Apple support. If you've tried every solution in this video and your iPhone still isn't vibrating, it's time to contact Apple support. Apple support can run additional diagnostics and recommend the best repair option if needed, and that's it.